Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a concept map in Canva. You're going to go to the template section here, and basically you are going to just type in concept map and just press enter. And here there's a bunch of kind of options you can select. I really like this one actually. So I'm just going to select this one. You can obviously select other concept maps that you like. I'm just going to select this one. Then I'm just going to select customize this template, and here's where you can really customize it to your liking. You can change the colors, you can obviously change the font, you can change the text inside of it. You can obviously change the title, but obviously you are making a concept map anyways, and you're just going to just customize it to your liking. You can add more pictures and stuff like that. If you want to change the colors all at once, you can go to styles and you can select the combinations here. You can just change the color by selecting color palettes. You can also just change it by font sets, as you can see. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.